So today we will be continuing with the curve menu again. Today I am going to teach with this menu with few commands more. Before that I would like to teach some basic commands like duplicate, which is also called as copy. Okay. Then control points on and off, how to mirror, move, rotate, explode, also join, split, trim. Okay, this is the menu for shaded. Okay, this will be going on making solid surfaces. I will teach you what is this. Okay, you will be using this curve. So now let me take some curves which I have drawn in my previous class. This video. Here are some curves which I have tried. Okay, now supposing we want to copy this curve, then we can use this. Share the curve. This is a copy or duplicate option. Click point to copy from. Just from wherever you want to copy, you can choose the point. This point is here, you can say, because this is the snap point. If you disable it, you can't find these points. It helps you to set the points, edges of the curves, exact edges. If you click it here, it won't be exactly the edge. If you go zoom, it cannot be exactly edge. Okay, so whenever you are designing, always use these snaps. Again, we right click, this we enable, and here you have to first enable this. There are so many commands. Perpendicular is not much in use. Intersection sometimes you can see here, you can read it here. Okay, see your point is plane, or whichever icon you take the cursor to the icon, you can read the menu, which is that icon. It's now here we get this icon. This is end. Okay, so copy from end to, you can shift if you want to copy it straight, always press shift. You can copy like this. If you want to copy it anywhere manually, you can just click it, go on clicking. Okay, this is the copy option. Right click, the command is gone. Again you right click, the previous command is on. Okay, next comes control point option. Control point is this one. You can select the control points for this. Press enter. See, by using control points you can edit this curve as the way you want. Okay, you can change this curve and change its shape. While editing, you have to use the snap, or else you will hold on the snaps. You will not be able to edit properly. See, escape, press escape. See, this curve you have converted into this by using the control edit commands. Okay. Next comes the mirror command. I'll show you this too. This also I can show you and rotate. Okay. So in this mirror command, you can just give its opposite. This is a mirror command. You can see the icon itself. This side and this side, it is mirror. Similarly it works. Start of mirror. This mirror should be always from this 0 and starting point, and then how you rotate it. If you rotate it in this way, from x-axis it will rotate like this way, vertically. If you want it horizontally, you have to rotate it in this way. Shift, press shift so that it comes in a straight line, and then click, left click. So there is a command. Once more I shall show you. Select the object which you want to mirror, click on the icon. You have to remember this. in this one thing, if you want it closer, you have to keep this point closer to your curve, because where you are pointed it will be rotating from there. Okay, this is the reverse shift, mirror like this way. Similarly, if there is a PT point here, it will go this side. From this point it catches the equal calculation, equal distance from both the sides. Okay, this is what you have to remember on this one. Delete. Next is move, simple move. You can move the object as you want from here to here. Okay, it's not copy, it's move. This object is moved from here to here. If you want to move from here end to end, you can catch this, enable it, end to this end. It's like this. It's perfectly joined. Not joined, touched, you can say. Okay, for joining this is this color. You can select both and then join. Now two curves join into one open curve. This is open curve because here it is open, right? This is going to be called a closed curve. So now this is one curve which is overlapped on this. Okay. Next command is for rotate. We have to write rotate and explode. Okay, rotate is like for that, going on explode, I will teach you rotate. Rotate, see, click the curve, and if you want to rotate it, you can see straight is rotated into horizontal, vertical is rotated into horizontal. Click on this curve, center of rotation will be this point. Okay, angle of first reference we catch it from here, and then if you want it straight, these 2 points you want to straight, shift, click like this. Now this is rotated. Now again this you want to rotate on this side. Rotate. If you see, if you catch, I'll just delete or keep it aside. Okay, now supposing this is the curve, rotate, you get center of rotation is 0, enter. Okay, always press shift and start. Okay, because this will be a 0 axis. From here, this what it is roaming is your angle. Okay, it is showing your angle, how you rotate it. Starting from here, it starts 5, 8, 10, 11, 20. This is your angle. If you want it, supposing 90 degree, 90 degree angle, enter. This from here to here, it is rotated as 90 degrees. Okay, see, from here to control 1, rotated as 90 degrees. You can rotate it manually also as you want. So you can no head of tapping, press shift, and then you can turn it to where you want and then click, then rotate it. Okay, supposing you want to rotate it there only, in that same place, then so you have to click it here, shift, and you can rotate it elsewhere like this, elsewhere how you want it. You keep it here, disable this, this one. Wherever it depends on your center point, how you rotate the image. Okay, this rotation. Now this one, any curve, joint curves. Supposing now if you mirror this also, mirror, I will mirror this one, point to point, or you can press shift also. Point to point is exactly. Now this is joint, I will join them. Okay, if you want to explode it and you want to convert, take this curve out, okay, then you have to use explode option. Explode is nothing but opposite of join. Select all the curves which are joined, right, click on explode. Split two curves into 4 segments. These two curves or two curves into 4 segments. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, it's simple. Join split command. Now this you want to open it. This is a closed curve which you want to open. This cannot be exploded because we have drawn it as a single curve with interpolate, right? You cannot explode it. Then how you will separate it? If you want this point out like this, you have to split. There is a command for split. By splitting, it says select cutting object, press enter, clear section and start over. There is no cutting object, so we have to split this curve with a point. Select this point as a cutting object. Now point to split curve. I want to split it from here to here. Okay, 2 points. We have to click and then enter. This is one curve split. We have to read this command. Okay, this means one curve is now split, and now you can open this and change its part however you want. Take this curve, disable this so that it is easy for editing. Okay. Escape. Now you can delete this. See, with that curve you created another shape. This is the way you can create different shapes. What we did, we split this. Now this is also, if you can explode this, this is also single curve. If you want to explode this, because it is split, which doesn't explode, split again, point again. You can use this part and this again. You, if you want to split it exactly at the end, enable snap and click. Now this is split into 2. Okay, this is split option. Trimming. Trimming is when you, trimming is cutting the option, cut the curves. Okay, trim. You select the curves. This you cannot trim from anywhere because these are joined, which are overlapped. Trimming will be used where, supposing when you are mirroring, if it is mirrored in this way, when it is overlapped, you can trim these parts. Okay, trim. Select the curves, all the curves you have to select, press enter, select object to trim. Now click here, see it's trimmed. Here also you can click, this will vanish. You can undo here every time. Here you can make it proper. Trimmed, trim. Okay, enter. See, now it is trimmed. To trimming you need to always join. Select the curves and join. Okay, so this is it for today.